Chief Meteorologist Scott Dean with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
To Frying Pan Tower we go, where cloudy conditions, but it looks pretty nice out there.
Yeah, we've seen a little bit of sunshine through those clouds at times as I was down at the beach earlier today, but we've also had some clouds in downtown Wilmington, and those clouds have produced a few showers out there as we take a look at our HD camera on top of our tower there, looking southward down Front Street towards the Port City, the downtown Port City, and you can see some of those cumulus clouds out there. So a pretty evening, and we've had a few spotty showers. But first I want to talk about one thing, and that is we have a preparedness forum that's going to be going on. In fact, I've got a graphic here that details that. This is going to be hosted by Representative David Rouzer, and this will be on Thursday at the police department on Best Street, 615 Best Street. And you can see the time there, 4:30 to 6:30. I'm going to be part of a panel, and basically what this is, it's a panel with different folks, different professionals like emergency management officials, and tips on how to prepare for a hurricane, evacuation, and other types of things. So hopefully we'll see you down there on Thursday. It should be very informative, so something that the public can take on as we get closer and closer to hurricane season. All right, looking at Storm Track 3 radar, I have one little shower left in Bladen County over towards between Elizabethtown and over towards the Carvers area. There's very, very spotty showers as they're lifting to the north. You can see another area of showers trying to get closer to the Cape, but having a hard time doing so. And as we go back the last 5-6 hours, you can see we talked about the better chance for seeing a few spotty showers would be in the inland areas, and that's exactly what happened. Very spotty. If you happen to get underneath one of those showers, a downpour of rain, but that was about it today. Looking at the visible satellite picture, we had some clear skies earlier on, but that moisture coming off the Atlantic causing those clouds to develop. At times it was cloudy, but you can see those showers as they develop very, very shallow. The moisture is very shallow in the atmosphere, so they don't grow very tall, and that's why we haven't had any thunderstorms with these showers, just some brief downpours of rain in a few locations. 79 degrees. Look at the dew point at the Wilmington Airport. It's jumped up to 70, so we're back in the soupy air. Southeast winds at 11 miles an hour, and it's 90 degrees in Lumberton, but as you get closer to the coast, temperatures drop down into the upper 70s, and here's the measure of moisture. It is quite humid out there with dew points back up to summertime levels around 70 degrees, and the deeper moisture has been off to the west where you can see showers and thunderstorms in Alabama and Georgia. And unfortunately, look at this, a new tornado watch has just been issued for portions of Texas where the thunderstorms are just now starting to get going again. That is the last thing those folks need. But basically we haven't seen much of a change in the overall weather pattern as we're going to continue with those southeasterly winds over our region with periods of clouds and also some sunshine, and any showers we get are going to be very spotty in nature, mainly during the afternoon, and the better chance will be during in the inland areas as we go into Wednesday all the way into Thursday as well. You can generally see where the moisture is coming from off the Atlantic Ocean, and the showers will be very, very spotty in nature on Thursday as well. So as we look at the temperatures as we go through the next 3 days, temperatures cooler near the beaches, warmest as you head farther inland where temperatures could reach 90 degrees once again tomorrow through Friday. And it looks like the best place to escape the heat and humidity, well, the heat rather, will be at the beaches, and that's where we have the beach forecast with a temperature right around 80 degrees, south winds around 10 miles an hour, and the water temperature very, very comfortable at 78. Lows tonight, well, will be on the sticky side in the upper 60s to right around 70, Wilmington over towards Southport, with those clouds decreasing overnight tonight. A mixture of sun and clouds tomorrow. Can't rule out a spotty shower, especially in the inland areas, but most areas will stay dry with those southeast winds continuing to blow. As we look at your 7-day forecasts, temperatures pretty much where they were today, in the low to mid 80s, the warmest temperatures inland, with only about a 20% chance of a spotty shower out there tomorrow into Thursday. And then as we go into the weekend, it looks like temperatures even in the Wilmington area will start to warm up into the mid to possibly upper 80s, and there could be some areas inland that touch 90 degrees or so, and then the chances for rain start to go up a little bit more by next Monday and Tuesday. So a very typical early summer.